Now I'm going to show you how to edit a booking with Cars on Demand. So you just open your app and you'll see your 2 bookings lined up in a chronological order. You pick the booking, so I want to edit the second one, and you just click on the top right hand corner on the options button and just click on edit job. Now that I do that, so my plans change completely. So I want to do the reverse, and then I wanted to go to the airport. There we go. Once I'm happy with that, I click on continue to edit. It'll show me all of these dates and times, so I just want to make sure that I'm traveling on the right day and the correct time. Let's call that 12:10, and there's only 1 passenger. Airport or regular transfer, the credit card is correct, and there's no other notes or anything to tell the driver. So I just click on save changes, and now my booking is edited. I'll get an email and it'll show up here as it's supposed to. That's it, it's done.